Dallas, Texas. Yeah, I had to go and restart it up, y'all. Yeah, I restarted it. Okay. Look out. Cold walk just like some pork chops, y'all. Oh, snap. It's getting choppy out here. You don't think got choppy, man?
He was pissed.
Okay.
Thought that was the Pokeball.
Did it straighten up now, B from the D?
You got choppy screen?
Yeah, it's getting choppy. Okay, Tommy Walker just sent $8, y'all. We got Supreme CL1. I see you want to act up today, y'all. I got my restart on, though. I hope it stops. Please stop. I just paid my phone bill, y'all. For my people watching on TikTok, we live on YouTube. Damn, this truck leaving pretty good. Oh, stop. Left lane for the win because of a red light. Look out, look out. Damn, man, I hope I get it back working, y'all. Look out, look, yeah. I'm about to see.
Small block or big block?
Small block. Small block. Little small block.
Turbo, no turbo.
No, straight motor. Straight motor. One of them, little V6 out of Infinity. Yeah, little K&E. Hey, TikTokers, they think that it's y'all fault that the internet tripping. They trying to blame the TikTokers. Turn my Wi-Fi off. I already got Wi-Fi off. Where is this at? We at Yello Belly. It really did start tripping into the old TikTok. Yeah. So TikTokers, y'all head over here to my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing is going down. Yeah, we racing cars. Yeah, diamonds up against that wood. I'm looking good. Yeah, you know I'm looking tight. We got Teslas out here. Look out, look out. Got a long line. Well, it ain't that long, but it's still a line. Yeah, look out. My TikTokers, y'all make sure to go check out that YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. Y'all get on there. Look out, look out. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Having a good day today.
You got a good video?
Yeah.
Show.
I think so. My stuff been trying to buffer today. They still trying to move your car. Damn, what's all that noise? Yeah, I'm gonna use a sticky pickle too. See if it stops spinning. Okay. Now y'all see what here. I think I'm ready. I did mine. Okay. We got that sticky pickle over here, y'all. Mixed with a little bit of that Lookout Racing. In love and memory of Anthony Argyle. Yeah. Going down. Oh, here go Tila Seco. Move your car. Hey, hey. Move your damn car. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Excuse me, excuse me. Hey. Make sure I got my cards out.